Hi, I'm James, CEO at BuyMiles. We've built Europe's largest provider of pay-by-the-mile car insurance. When we founded BuyMiles, we made a bet that car insurance can't exist in its current form for much longer. As automotive technology continues to evolve faster than ever, we're the company that can evolve motor insurance at that same rapid pace. So what's happening in the 150 billion euro car insurance market in Europe? Well, since the last year and a half, it's fundamentally changed the way people all over the world are getting around. As people work more than ever from home, commuting became less regular, and we saw a boom in cycling and scooting. People just use their cars differently today, and most car insurers have very little data on how this change is happening. All new cars in Europe will have to be electric by 2035, and in the UK, we expect to see this by 2030. This changes the way that people buy new cars, the way we own them, and the way we use them. And without fuel costs, car insurance is the most expensive cost of running an electric car. Every new car sold today is connected. This unlocks a huge amount of data that's never been used by insurers before. The car is the best possible telematics device, and it also unlocks acceptance among drivers for sharing their data. And finally, new safety features like autopilot are getting better and better. Steering wheels aren't going away anytime soon, but we need to incentivize people to adopt these new features. And it also means that at different points in the journey, the insurance liability can switch from the driver to the car manufacturer. So insurance becomes based on usage. Our mission is to make driving fairer. And that future that I just outlined to you sounds fairer to me. And that's for everyone, not just car owners. It's a future with safer, more accessible cars that are available on demand. And with drivers financially rewarded for driving less, we'll see reduction in congestion, pollution, and positive impacts on public health. But behind the scenes, there's this product called car insurance. And car insurance hasn't changed or evolved at all in the last 40 years. It's based on a fixed price for the year, no matter how much you use your car, and it's based on very little data about you. Some might even say it's boring, but to me, car insurance is super exciting. It's a financial product that impacts everyone, and it's the enabler of mobility. You wouldn't get into a car with me if I wasn't insured. So this future can't happen without the right insurance to enable it. Customers want change. In the UK alone, 30 million people spend an average of £500 a year on a product that they don't love and that can't adapt. That's why our unique pay-by-mile insurance is so popular. We've doubled in size in the last year. We enjoy a net promoter score of 80 out of 100 and a Trustpilot rating of excellent from over 5,000 reviews. Drivers simply pay an upfront cost to cover their car while it's parked, and then a few pennies per mile to cover their journeys each month, only paying for the driving they've actually done. We put control back in our customers' hands thanks to a market-leading mobile phone app packed full of handy features that makes owning a car easier. Customers are rewarded for driving less and for using the car's safety features to drive better. Drivers simply plug in our miles tracker to convert their older car into a connected car and keep track of their journeys. But in 2019, we launched the world's first connected car insurance policy, which got rid of the need for any device altogether. We've used what we've learned from that to remain the world's most connected car insurance provider today, most recently teaming up with Ford to allow us to get that data directly from their cars. And since launching in the UK, we've had interest in pay-by-mile globally, as though we've spun up our B2B2C solution called ByBits to enable us to launch our platform in Europe and anywhere else in the world. You don't need to work in the car insurance industry to know that the product that's being sold today isn't going to survive for very long in its current state. It's inflexible, old-fashioned, and doesn't fit into the new world of data-driven, on-demand convenience. Join our mission to make driving fairer through an experience that's flexible, future-ready, and loved by customers. Thank you.